We've actually climbed a couple of degrees from our daytime high of 55. We've actually tacked on a couple of degrees. Now we're 57. Mr. Reuter Tower camera. If you remember last Thursday night at this time, we were seeing that rain to snow changeover. Mid-30s getting ready to plunge. Record 52 degrees in less than 12 hours. And we wound up actually down to -7 by mid-morning. So different world. It's like 2022 is going to go out like a lamb, despite the frigid weather of last weekend. So again, 57 is a new high for the day. South wind at 7 miles an hour. Thunderstorms breaking out in the lower Mississippi Valley with a wave in Texas. And you see the warm front lifting north. So showers are on the way. A lot of this rain is going to stay a little bit to our west tomorrow. But here's the big change. Cold air in the west, giant teeter-totter of a jet stream now lifting in the east, the exact opposite of what we saw last week with this parade of welcome Pacific storms, because they certainly desperately need the moisture in the west. Thunderstorms across the south, and we'll have one storm tomorrow into Saturday, another one Monday night and Tuesday. And of course, all the wintry weather is now in the west and the northern tier of states. So quite a difference as Gulf moisture surges north, and so does the warmth. So we're tied with Athens and 57, 58 at Lancaster and New Lexington, got to 63 earlier at Piketon. It's 57 all the way up at Bucyrus. And you can see temperatures, Jared and Justin down in Atlanta at 66, and those will be the readings also with rain during the day on Saturday. And the cold air is now banked up to the north and west with the retreat of the polar jet stream. Actually, it's a subtropical flow coming in from the southwest that's completely changed everything. But again, that's what happens when you get big Pacific storms. So some sprinkles around tomorrow morning that may cool us down to 49. We may stay in the 50s all night, though, at this rate. 53 to 55 degrees in the afternoon. And the only reason why it will be a few degrees cooler is the occasional rain. How much rain? Well, by the time we get to Saturday night, 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. With all that melting snow and saturated soil and frozen ground, we do worry about flooding, but those amounts we can definitely take. Some drizzle during the overnight, late on and off showers for the day on Friday. It's just going to rain occasionally as this wave moves north. On Saturday, it looks like the rain will move out in time for New Year's Eve. Could be some drizzle, slightly cooler in the morning, but the theme here is that we're in a Pacific air mass, so each day we continue to see temperatures well into the 50s, and that means also a very mild New Year's Eve, although temperatures will be cooling off a bit, will be in the 40s to ring in the new year. So that low, by the way, should be 48 degrees, cloudy and mild, showers late, and then 56 Friday, 52 Saturday, and Carrie after dry weather Sunday and Monday, rain, and 62 on Tuesday. We'll turn winter like at the end of the week.